Hi there! In this short tutorial, I will teach you how to download and set up Godot. It's very easy, so let's get to it. Okay, so first, let's go to godotengine.org, which is Godot's official website. From here, let's navigate to the download section by clicking on the download button on the main navigation menu. Here, you need to select the appropriate version for your operating system and whether your machine is 64 or 32 bits. My machine is Windows, so I'll click Windows here. And I'm using a 64-bit machine, so I will select the 64-bit version under the standard version. The mono version is for C#, so if you want to use C#, go ahead and install that, but I'm not using C#, so I'll just install the standard version. After you click, a download process will begin, and when it's complete, go to your downloads file in your machine, and you'll have a zip file here. I will extract this using 7-zip. This extraction phase will differ depending on your operating system, but this is how we do it for Windows using 7-zip. I'll say extract files, okay, and open up the folder that got extracted. Here we have just any exe file, and this is all you need to run Godot. It's just one file, and you can double click on it and Godot will start. One extra step I usually do after I install a new version is to put it under a folder I created just for my different Godot versions. Under the main drive I use, which is the X drive, I have a folder called Godot builds, which I use to store different versions of Godot. So as you can see, I have around 5 different versions here, and it's very easy for me to find this folder and start using a different version very fast. So the version we just downloaded was 3.2.3, and I already have it here, so I'm not gonna put it here, but if you want to, you can create a folder like this and store it here. And this was how to download and set up Godot. I know it's a very easy task to do, but I figured that maybe there are people who are confused or people who never done something like this before, so I hope it was useful. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.